Hi folks. So computer network is a collection of devices which are interconnected and communicate to each other. These devices may be your computational devices like laptop, PC, smartphone or network connected devices like router, gateway, bridge, switch and so on. The objective of computer network is resource sharing resources. These resources may be a text file or audio file or video file or gaming like that. These resources are located in different places. You can see it in your home. You can download the file, you can download the audio file, you can watch the video on YouTube, you can playing online games with the help of computer network. But the question is, why we learning computer network? Why we learning computer network as a software engineer or computer science students assumes if you are working as a software engineer can be built in video applications like YouTube and sometimes also built on chat applications like Facebook, WhatsApps and another times also built on online game applications like PUBG, Snooker and sometimes also built on browser applications like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, and so on. Finally, these applications or the network applications communicated with remote server. For simplicity, I will take YouTube applications. If you want to watching my video on your YouTube app, then you can type Kate Easy on your YouTube app, then submitted into the computer network. Then computer network is going to YouTube server and YouTube server fetch the video and given into your video YouTube video of via computer network. But what will happen in this area? How your YouTube application is successfully communicated with YouTube server and vice versa? Therefore, computer network play important role at here. So software engineer should focus on how to develop this type of the applications using front end and back end technologies. So computer network is not mandatory skill for software engineer, but at the same times, if you are working as a network engineer who is responsible for designing, creating, configuring this type of the network, then computer network is mandatory skills. If any devices want to participate computer network, then then those devices followed some standard model That model is called Open System Interconnection Model. Which model? It is a high level idea which describes how successfully communicated between sender and receivers. It is a reference model. That means it is a theoretical model. But nowadays we are using TCP IP model, which is based on the OSI reference models. It is widely used practical model. In both model, we are using layered approach. That means in communication standard model perform lot of complex functionalities, and those functionality are classified based on the same behavior and given name as a layer. So each layer performs some same behavior functionality. In OSI model we are using several layer, and TCP IP model we are using 3 layer. In OSI model and TCP IP model. In the OSI model, we are using several layers like application layer and presentation layer and session layer and transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layers. In those 3 layers are merged into one layer that is called application layer in TCP IP. The network layer and transport layer and network layer are the same, and finally these 2 layers are merged into one layer for simplicity in TCP IP protocols. Then those layers which is inbuilt in every networking operating system, network operating systems. Uh, some most popular network operating system are Windows NT Server, Windows NT Server, Windows NT Server, and Linux are the most popular network operating system which are using currently. But the question is, each and every devices which is participate in computer network having all layer functionality? No, not at all. A devices a devices which is able to create and receiving message successfully, then those devices having all layer functionalities. The example of those devices are your PC, your laptop, your smartphone, and any computational devices. A devices who have only perform network layer and data link layer and physical layer functionalities, those devices are router and gateway. And 2 layer functionality like data link layer and physical layer functionality devices are bridge and switch. And one layer functionality we are using only physical layer, that is called cup and repeater. So these are all devices which are participating in computer network each devices having some of the functionality corresponding to the layers. And one more thing is the data is in application layer is called data, and the data in transport layer is called segments, and network layer is called packets. The physical layer is called frame as well as bits.